spend the weekend at Grandma's, but not if your grandma is a zombie. Every grandmother's main goal in life is making sure her grandchildren are fed. I made some yummy, healthy soup for you. It just needs a little decoration. This ear will do the trick. Cut some hard cheese in the shape of an ear. Trim the cheese to shape the inside of the ear. Insert a disinfected earring into the cheese. Put the cheese ear into cream of broccoli and zucchini soup. Hey kids, your lunch is ready! Enjoy! What is this? An ear? Yikes! Don't be scared. If you don't like ears, your grandma will eat this special treat. Delicious! I love cartilage! What could possibly be so interesting to a grandma and her grandkids? The new channel Troom Wow, of course! It's full of hilarious ideas, challenges, and pranks. Follow the link in the description and subscribe. Troom Wow is fun for the whole family. June, honey, help me with my hair. I can't undo my bun. Hold on, Grandma, I'll help you. I had no idea you still had this much hair left. Put green slime into a jar with a round bottom. Cover the jar with a fake braid. Make it look like a bun. Quick, loosen my bun, June! Andy, help! Green zombie brains? Let's get out of here! My grandkids are so gullible! You have to brush your teeth before bed. Move, youngsters! Let Grandma through! Grandma has her own method of brushing her teeth. She does it individually. Make a tooth out of white polymer clay. Shape the crown with a modeling tool. Pull out the roots. Make a few different teeth. Bake the teeth according to the clay package instructions. Pour the teeth into a cup. Grandma, what are you doing? Brushing teeth one by one is great. You'll never get cavities like this. Let's get out of here! Haha, they bought it! Grandma has another prank for her grandkids. My eyesight's getting bad. Where's my backup zombie hand with that magnifying glass? Pour hot glue into a container. Glue in a magnifying glass. Color the handle black. Cover it with light clay. Make the shape of a hand holding the magnifying glass. Put in fake nails. Paint them with red nail polish. Coat the hand with acrylic paint. Attach a fake gemstone to one finger, like a ring. Andy, look at Grandma's hand! She's definitely a zombie! I told you! What does it say here? I can't see anything. The text is too small. I'll need a new eye. I got you, grandkids! Quick, hide! Faster! Under the bed! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come. Where are you, grandbabies? Oh no! Grandma has zombie feet! Make toes out of light clay. Put fake nails into them. Press in wrinkles with a modeling tool. Trim the nail to make an uneven edge. Paint the nail brown. Trace the base of the nail with a brown marker. Tone the toe with acrylic paint. Make the hole bigger in a torn slipper. Glue the toes in. Those are Grandma's feet? She hasn't had a pedicure in a while. Yikes! Kids, boo! Found you! Help! Our weekend at Grandma's is going to drive us crazy. June's hair went gray. Now she'll have to cover it all up. It's so sad that our poor Grandma turned into a zombie. Oh, my poor babies! My goodness! This is all because of me? I didn't mean to. Gotcha, Granny! This is a revenge prank. Our Grandma's not really a zombie. Unless... Grandma made a delicious snack for her grandkids. Who wants fresh, crunchy eyeballs? Trim a round white cookie. Put melted chocolate on top. And attach a circle made out of a mix of chocolate and glucose. Shape the chocolate clay like this. Paint a pupil in the middle with black food coloring. Add highlights using melted white chocolate. Make a few eye cookies. Grandma, that smells great! Ouch! You scared me! I even dropped an eye. Here it is. Yum! Oh, my eyes! Grandma really baked eyes? These are just cookies, silly kids. Enjoy. Phew, they are just cookies. She is such a prankster. Poor baby, are you tired? Go to bed. Grandma will tuck you in. And Grandma will always look after you too, with her huge eye. Cut 2 circles out of white fabric. Sew them together, leaving a small gap so you can stuff the eye later. Turn the case right side out. Draw a pupil in the middle with a fabric marker. Outline the iris. Fill the middle with black fabric paint. And color the iris with blue fabric paint. Add highlights near the pupil. Fill the cushion with stuffing. Sew it shut. Go over the outline of the pupil with a black fabric marker. Draw veins with a red fabric marker. Add highlights. Lie down on this comfy cushion and sleep. Good morning! What happened? Andy? Did the pillow scare you? You were so sensitive. Andy, look! Our grandma has the iPhone 11. How is that possible? Grandma's phone is cooler than mine. Let's ask Grandma to switch phones. She won't say no to her favorite grandkids. But Grandma has a better idea. Poke 2 holes in a phone case using an awl. Put in 2 jump rings. Cover the case with green hot glue. Add yellow drips. Attach fake maggots and put a cord through the rings. Grandma, I love you so much. Let's switch phones. Of course, Andy. I'd love to. Here's my phone. Ew! What is that? Thanks. I don't want a phone like this. You can keep it. Whatever you say. Could she really be a zombie? I don't know what to think. Grandchildren, Grandma made a yummy milkshake just for you. Come on, try it. Cool! Grandma always knows how to make the best drinks. But this milkshake isn't really drinkable. What's in there? Maybe it's too thick? There's something in the straw. Oh no! grandchildren are finally here. Grandma's coming. Hi, sweethearts. Come in. Grandma, are you all right? I have so many surprises for you. All your organs are falling out. Grandma? Paint bones on an apron using fabric paint. The rib cage and the spine. Paint organs inside. Add some details. Outline the edges with a black fabric marker. My dear little grandkids, I'm happy from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, Grandma, we can see it. Come hug your grandmother. Grandma loves her garden. June, honey, help your grandmother. Can you bring me some fresh dirt from the flower bed? Of course, Grandma. June is a great gardener. She brought some nice, fresh soil just for her grandma. Grandma, here's your dirt. Thanks, honey. You really helped your grandma out. Now let's just add some water. There, now it's a nice little swamp. And I can put this wonderful mask on my face. The dirt makes my skin tone better. Plus, it's super moisturizing. Grandma, are you really that comfortable with dirt? Want to try, June? No? Okay, as you wish. Did you like our zombie grandma pranks? Then comment below and tell us how your grandma would probably prank you. With a worm milkshake, a fake eye, or creepy teeth? Plus, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss hilarious new pranks from Troom.